Today I'm going to show you how I like to use the Wanderlightly Marigold Face Nectar. Now this is a really special and beautiful blend because the marigolds have been organically homegrown by founder Sarah and then solar infused with jojoba oil, making it a really rich, rejuvenating and hydrating facial oil. Now this is a perfect oil to use if you have dry, mature or even sensitive skin because the addition of macadamia oil has anti-inflammatory properties and that helps to soothe and calm the skin as well. To apply, I take a couple of drops into my hand, massage together and then press into freshly cleansed skin. Don't forget your neck and décolleté. And despite this being a super hydrating formula, it is lightweight, so it's going to leave your skin feeling really hydrated and give you a golden glowing complexion.